So I've been seeing this viral cucumber salad all over social media. I got the stuff. We're gonna try it and rate it 1 through 10. First, we got the cucumber. So we got the cucumbers in the bowl. Next ingredient. I'm gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of mayo. I got this mayo because I felt like that Chinese mayo was like 7,000 calories per tablespoon. This one's only 45. Go ahead and take this red onion and we're gonna chop this up and put that in a bowl as well. All right, so what's next is the lemon. Of course, I didn't use all of that onion, just for clarification. But we're gonna take this, we're gonna roll it, get it nice and juicy, and we're gonna squeeze half of the lemon into that, okay? Just wanted to update you. This is what we're looking like so far. Half of a lemon, cucumber, mayo, and a lot of onion because I like onion. So we're gonna go ahead and add is about 2 tablespoons of this chive and onion cream cheese. You can try the jalapeno kind if you like it spicy, but I feel like this is a flavor for me that I'm really going to enjoy. All right, so now that we have most of the ingredients added, we're going to go in with some dill weed. You can use fresh, but I have this. I never used it, never had a recipe for dill, but now I do. So we're going to go in, we're going to season this with the dill. Look at that, I ain't even got it open yet, baby. There we go. Kind of heavy-handed with the dill, only because as I was putting it on there, it just looked so pretty that I just wanted to keep going. I am going to add some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of garlic as well, because you know that's just my personal preference. Okay, you gotta season your salad. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some of these capers in here. I don't know what a caper is, but I hope it tastes good. So for the final ingredient, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this. All right, I'm going to use one of these, and then I'm going to use one of these. Okay, the reason I'm using this is because I don't know if I can eat no fish that ain't being cooked. I've tried tuna uncooked at the sushi and it's just like, no, I'm not fucking with it. So I'm gonna put this in there and we're gonna see how that works. All right, so we did go ahead and let her marinate for a little bit and come to room temperature. We're gonna go ahead and give her a taste test and see if it's giving what the girls and the boys have been saying it's giving. Here's the moment of truth. I make sure I get me a nice, good, you know what I'm saying, cucumber to meat ratio. Okay, Logan, thank you. That's good. Let me get some caper. I ain't mad at it. So we got it, we tried it. Let's rate it 1 through 10. It does taste like pickles because of the dill, but it tastes like a not super sour type pickle. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 7.5 out of 10. It's very light, very refreshing. I feel like ain't no way I'm finna eat this whole bowl, so I wish I would have like put like, you know what I'm saying, a portion of it on a plate and not just be eating it out the bowl.